Hello everyone. Today we are going to read our next prose, Ranga's Marriage by M.V. Iyengar. Now this prose will be talking about the character Ranga and his marriage. So let's go into the plot. Son of village accountant. Now Ranga is the son of village accountant and the father ultimately sent him to Bangalore for his higher education. Right? Then the author is talking about the title of this prose, that why the author ultimately has given the title Ranga's Marriage. He could have given some other title also. So to which the author is discussing that because the story is talking about the character of Ranga and his marriage, that is why I have taken the title Ranga's Marriage. Then we are getting about the details of this particular village, which is also given by the author. What is the name of the village? Hoshali village within Mysore. And the author is saying he is praising his village. There are enough details. Please go through the text to know all the details. Now he is praising the place, his village, that it is a very good place, but he is also said that it was not mentioned in the map during the time of the Britishers, though it is a very good place, a beautiful place. And he is also talking about the mango trees and the creeper leaves, that what kind of leaves are there, how they are using the leaves as plates when they are having the foods, right. Then he is talking about something which is very important, that is English versus vernacular. That means before 10 years the people of this particular area, they don't even know the English language. After 10 years when the author is writing this prose, he is observing that people can talk in English. Talk in English means they can use 4 or 5 words when they are having a conversation with the same people of their particular area. So they are having a kind of attitude which is actually a shifting attitude from vernacular to English language, from Kannada language to English language, right. This is very important, the language. Then we are getting the character Ranga. He ultimately returned from the city Bangalore and everyone is going to meet him. Okay, some old lady is there, the entire crowd was there, and they are saying that this boy is having not a kind of change, no change in the character. Whatever traditional values he was having from this village, he is also having the same kind of traditional values. And the author also noticed the namaskar style. When he is greeting the elders, he is also having the same kind of traditional values. So the boy Ranga is actually having a good image after returning from the town also, after returning from the city also, right. Now the author is very impressed and he is saying that the boy Ranga should get married. So the author is asking, why are you not getting married? To which Ranga is saying that I need a girl who will be mature enough to understand the conversation. Means age is a factor for him. I cannot get married to a girl who is 11 years old or 12 years old. I need someone who is having a mature mind. Now the author is already taking a decision that he will choose the bride for this boy. He will select the girl. Now he is thinking about Rama Rao's niece. What is the name of the girl? Ratna. Now the author is making a plan. What? He is going to Rama Rao's house and he is informing them, tomorrow please send Ratna to me because I want to send something to you. Chach, buttermilk. Okay, this food I want to send to Rama Rao. So please send your niece to me. And Ratna is orphan and she is staying with her uncle. There are details about this character also. Okay, she don't have the father and mother and she is living with her uncle. So he said that please send Ratna to me tomorrow because I want to send you buttermilk, chach. Now Ratna is coming next day to the author and he has also informed Ranga to come to his house. So when Ratna entered, the author is saying that you start singing. Okay, because I want to hear your singing. So she started singing. After some time, Ranga entered and Ratna can see the shadow and all these things, and she stopped her singing. Okay, and Ranga is saying now, and they met for the first time, and Ranga is saying that because of me you stopped singing, so I am leaving. I am going from this place. You can carry on your singing. But though he is saying that I am leaving, but he stays there. Okay, he is not moving. After some time, Ratna left. Then the author is coming, and the character Ranga, he is asking, who is she? The boy is asking about the girl. Who is she? To whom? To the author. Now the author is saying, why? Why are you asking? Because you said that you don't want to marry right now. You are not having any kind of interest to get married right now. So why are you asking? Then the author is saying that though you are asking, but this girl is already married. Okay, but actually Ratna is not married. So after this, the character Ranga, he is not having any kind of expression in his face, means he becomes sad somehow. Now the writer is making a plan with this character, Shastri. He went to Shastri and said to him that you prepare a plan with your astrology and books on Shastra and everything, and we will convince the character Ranga that this girl is perfect for him. Now when he is meeting Ranga, and he can observe, he can see that Ranga is not happy, and the author is saying, why you are having kind of headache or your health is not okay. Then the author is saying that, then Ranga is saying that no, it's not like that, but I am not feeling good. To which the author is saying, okay, let's go to Shastri, because I was also having the same kind of problem before my marriage. So let's go to Shastri. So when they are going to Shastri, and this man already prepared himself that how to convince the boy, and now he is saying many things regarding his books and all everything. After some time, he is saying that probably your condition is like this because of a girl, and he mentioned many names. Directly he cannot say about Ratna. After mentioning 4 or 5 names, the character Shastri, he is giving the details of Ratna. Probably the girl, maybe the girl is having the name Ratna. So he is pretending in a way that he can say the future and he can deliver the right prediction, but he is already aware about the facts, because this is a pre-planned activity of this character M.V. Iyengar and Shastri. The plan was ready, and Shastri is now just convincing the character, right. So now when they are returning from the house of Shastri, that time Ratna was standing before her house, and the author ultimately entered into their house, and he is coming back, and now he is giving the news to Ranga that I gave you a wrong news. This girl was not married. She is still spinster. So now you think. So up to this, the story is like this. Now suddenly we can see that one day after 3 years, Ranga invited the author for his son's birthday. And now it is very clear that these two characters, Ranga and Ratna, they got married at that time, and they were also having a baby who is having maybe 3 years old, his son. And the character Ranga also informed the author that I have given the name to my son as you are having, means the same name that you are having, I have given the same name to my son, that is Shama. Okay, and it is also mentioned in the text, right. And in this way the story ends over here, and the author is saying here that this is a custom, that you are giving a name to a newborn baby of some elder or someone else because you appreciate him. Okay, so this is the traditional way. So in this way, the character Ranga ultimately convinced by the author through all these helps, this planning, the first time the meeting with Ranga and Ratna, and he is convinced by the character of Shastri, and he ultimately got married to this girl, right. So, this is the story of Ranga's marriage. So, if we summarize point wise in a very brief, we can say that this is the character who ultimately went to Bangalore. He returned. He is a good boy having the same cultural and traditional values of the village, and there is a kind of conversation about marriage, and after that the author ultimately took the decision that I will select the girl for this boy, and then the plan of the food, the meeting, and after that Ranga is asking who is she. Then they went to Shastri, and Shastri ultimately is giving the prediction that probably maybe the name of the girl is Ratna, and Ranga was convinced, and he ultimately got married to the character Ratna, right. Thank you.